Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name's Zafira Nadwa. I'm from 12th Natural Science 1. Now, I'd like to show you how to make black sticky rice tapai. So, keep watching. First, we have to prepare the ingredients. The ingredients are 300 grams of black sticky rice, some powdered yeast, a stiff, banana leaves, a jar, and some water. Then, clean the black sticky rice with running water. After that, put the black sticky rice into the pot. Add some water. And cook until it dries. After it dries, steam the black sticky rice until it's softened. If it's done, put the steamed black sticky rice on the plate and let it cool. The next step is lay the black sticky rice on banana leaves. Remember to do not use your hand to keep it hygienic. And sprinkle some yeast until it's even. Then fold the banana leaves, put it into a jar, and close the jar. About 3 days and the tapai will be ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.